breaking news coming in. So we're given to understand that one person was killed after clashes broke out between supporters of Congress MLA Nara Bharat Reddy and BJP MLA Gali Janardhan Reddy in Karnataka's Ballari area over the tying of a banner. The clash broke out in the Avambhavi area when supporters of Congress MLA Nara Bharat Reddy attempted to put up banners near the residence of KRPP legislator Janardhan Reddy ahead of a Valmiki statue unveiling program scheduled for January 3rd. The move was opposed by Janardhan Reddy's supporters, triggering a heated argument. We have CNN News 18's Afreen Hussain joining us live right now. Afreen, good morning and thank you so much for joining us on the broadcast. My first question to you is what security and preventative measures were in place to avoid clashes ahead of the Valmiki statue unveiling program?
Well, good morning to you, Sukanya, and our viewers as well. Let me tell you that the event was supposed to happen on January 3rd, and to welcome the event and to prepare for it, a group of Congress workers went near Janardhan Reddy's residence and were trying to put up posters, to address people and to let people know that this particular event is going to happen on January 3rd. And that is when the BJP, the workers, Congress workers and Janardhan Reddy supporters clashed, and we're given to understand. And from what we know, stone pelting is also happened there, after which police personnel were deployed and they tried to bring the situation under control. There was also mild lathi charge that was used, and during this police constable was also hurt in the stone pelting, we're given to know, after which Satish Reddy, who is known to be a close aide of Congress MLA Bharat Reddy, is said to have fired in the air, and one Congress worker identified as Rajashekar is also dead. Now, Bharat Reddy, the Congress MLA from Ballari, blames this whole incident to be, a doing of Janardhan Reddy, and says that a complaint should be written against him and he should also be arrested. A murder charge should be filed against him. This is what Bharat Reddy is saying. On the other hand, Janardhan Reddy is saying that this was an attempt by Bharat Reddy and his father to finish him. This was a bid to assassinate him, is what Janardhan Reddy is saying.
Right, Afreen, thank you so much for sharing that crucial input with us.